Here we go.
Alright guys, we're going to do a little launch control run to 60 here. Make sure there's nobody around first. Oh, well, there's those guys, but they probably won't mind. Let's go up the road a bit so we don't scare the dogs or something. These houses. This is a nice long straightaway. We'll be able to do it somewhere out here without bothering anyone. Hopefully. And without getting arrested again, hopefully. Or we might scare the ducks. They'll be okay though. Alright, so we're in mode. Come to a stop. Clutch out, first gear, and then you just gotta floor it, like literally push it down as fast as you can. And then it's ready. 5.9 to 60 there. So that's with launch control. I'll do this quicker this time so nobody comes around the corner on me. Nope, that's not gonna work. You either spin the tires completely and just roast them, or about stall it like I did there. .9 again. Okay, so that's a nice flat road, but we are at probably 3,000 feet, so that would probably explain the half a second difference or so that I've been able to get in Charlotte, just kind of around Charlotte.